Hey guys, today we need to make a nut for this guitar. Before we put it over here on the rack, it's not really a rack of doom, but it is a nice rack where we can do some kick-ass neck setups.
What the hell just happened?
And we use tusk material that I bought from a company called Graphtech. I buy blanks like this.
I think I got it fixed now. The first thing we do is flatten it and make sure that it fits in our slot for the nut, which would be called the nut slot. So, and then we check it. Nut slot. Still a little heavy. Now we mark it, then we cut it, and then we put some slots in it. Hold on. The half pencil trick. Like that. Then we put the correct bevel on it. Then we file it to get the sharp edges off and make sure we got a nice smooth surface across the top. And then we'll come back and polish it correctly. It fits. It fits. So now we'll mark it for the string slots. Hold on. We have to cut little slots right here. I start out with this. I put my thumbnail there and make a little groove. Then we have to use this file, this file, this file, this file, this file, and this file. 6 different files, 10 through 46, which is what we'll be putting on this guitar. And we start with number 46. And before we put the final polish on it, we'll test it to make sure our string height is correct. If the string height is too high, we'll take a little more out. If the string height is too low, we'll throw it in the trash and we'll do another one. And then we'll put it on the rack of doom. And then she'll be ready to play. All right, I hope you enjoyed making a nut. We'll talk to you soon. All right, bye now. Peace.